everyone. I am Manuel Ciudadano Jr. and this is my video lesson about test of significant difference in business math. The test of significant difference show that the difference between the sample mean and the population mean is statistically significant. A two-sided alternative hypothesis is used when there is no reason to believe that the sample mean can only be higher or lower than a given value. And also, tests for statistical significance are used on estimate the probability that a relationship observed in the data occurred only by chances, the probability that the variables are really unrelated in the population. They can be used to alter out unpromising hypotheses. The sample mean is obviously different from the population mean, but tests of significance must be done to determine if the difference is statistically significant. The difference could possibly be attributed to chance of the sampling error. What do you use to measure significant difference? The independent t-test is also called two-sample test. It is a statistical test that determines whether there is statistically significant difference between the means in the two unrelated groups. What is t-test? A t-test is an inferential statistic used to determine if there is a significant difference between the means of two groups of how they are related. T-tests are when the data sets follow a normal distribution and have unknown variances, like the data set recorded from flipping a coin. The very term t-test reflects that the t-test results are based purely in t-values. T-value is what statisticians refers to as a test statistics, and it is calculated from your sample data during hypothesis test. The significance level is the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true and is denoted by A. The 5% significant level is a common choice for statistic test. The next step is to collect data and calculate the test statistic and associated p-value using data. If the significant value of the t-test is equal or less than 0.05, there is a significant difference in the mean scores on the variable of interest. For each of the two groups of the value is above 0.05, there is no significant difference between the two groups, and that would be all. Thank you.